Queens, it's me Amber and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be recreating a look that I did the other day on my Instagram. It is this look and it's like dark reds and like burgundy colours. I based it off of the lipstick by Jeffree Star called Unicorn Blood, and I think I'm just gonna like title this video like Unicorn Blood, something to do with that. So yeah, let's get straight into it. So as you can tell, I've already done my eyebrows. I used the eyebrow powder by Makeup Obsession in the shade Ash Brown. So I'm going to go straight onto my base and start with foundation. I'm going to be using the Rimmel Match Perfection foundation in the shade Light Porcelain. So I'm just going to do a couple pumps on the back of my hand and then blend it all in with a sponge. Let's powder Rimmel Stay Matte, because obviously the only powder I own. So we're just going to settle this foundation. Bronzer, I'm just going to use this one by Makeup Revolution. Blush, I'm going to use the Hot Spice palette by Makeup Revolution, and I just used this shade down here. And then I just kind of blend this out a bit more because it always looks a bit harsh at first, so we need to neutralise it a bit. I'm going to just take my Mario Badescu spray and just spritz my face. Then I just leave this for like a couple seconds. Then I apply highlighter because I feel like this just helps apply nicer. And this is the Stroke of Genius Illuminating Palette by NYX. And I'm going to mix this shade and this shade. That is our base done, so now we can move on to the eyes, which is like the main focus for this. And for the eyeshadow look, I'm going to be using the Jaclyn Hill palette by Morphe, and I'm just going to use a bunch of these like maroony reds, where is it, and like these types, and also like these shimmery ones. I'm going to start with a transition shade, and I'm going to take the shade Butter and just run this through the crease and just basically put it everywhere. Then with a packing brush and the shade Roxanne, I'm just going to pack that all into my crease. And then blend out the edges. I'm going to take the shade Jax and place this right here. And on a small packing brush, take the shade Chip and put this right on the edge of my eye. And then again, blend these shades out and together. Then dipping back into Jack's, I'm just going to further add this up here. I'm going to take some of the foundation from earlier and just put a tiny bit on the back of my hand. I'm just going to do like a spotlight eye thing. I don't really know, so I just do this. And then end by filling it in. I'm going to take the shade Cran Apple and on a small flat brush, just fill in where we just put the foundation. I'm going to take the shade Hunts and on the small packing brush, blend out the edges here and mix that with Jack's as well. So this is the eye look complete, well that's for eyeshadow at least. And now I'm going to go ahead and do this eye off camera and I'll be back to finish the eyes off. Right, so I've got both of the eyes done. I want to take the Supercat liner by Soap & Glory and just do a thin line on my lash line thing, you know. And I'm not going to do a wing. I'm just going to curl my lashes a tiny bit, just so they're a bit more, I don't know, there. Then I'm going to apply some false lashes, and these are the Sultry Lashes by Primark. And I'm not that good at putting them on, it's going to take me a while, but I'm going to attempt to try put them on. So let's hope I can do it. Okay, the lashes are on. They don't look that good. I kind of messed up on this one. But you know, it's okay. We're gonna go with it. So now to finish up, we're gonna go into lips. And this is also the main thing. This is what I based the look off. And this is the Lip Ammunition lipstick by Jeffree Star in the shade Unicorn Blood. It's like such a dark red maroony colour and I just love it. So I'm going to take this Real Techniques lip brush to apply it because I don't have like a lip liner or anything. So I just use this to put it on and then go over it. And now to actually go in with the lipstick. Then we just need a bit of setting spray. And this look is complete. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and seeing how I created this unicorn blood inspired look. If you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe down below if you're not already. Also follow all my social medias, they are linked in the description box below. And I'll see you all soon. Bye!